Hello children, today we'll start the third chapter in science. The name of the chapter is Plants Give Us Other Things. We all learnt in our previous chapter that plants give us food. In this particular chapter, we're going to learn the other uses of plants. Plants will also give many other things that we're going to learn. At the end of this particular chapter, we will be able to state the uses of plants, identify and name plant products, describe how plants clean the air. Let us answer this. Mind opener. You know that plants give us food. We all know that plants give us food. They give us fruits, vegetables in the form of a root, a stem, a leaf, flower and seeds. They also give us many other things. Do you know of some other things that we get from plants? We will be learning in this particular chapter. So plants give us wood, they give us fibers, they give us medicine, they also help in purifying the air. So we'll be learning. So many other uses of plants. Wood. Look at the chair or stool you are sitting on. Look at your pencil. Are they made of wood? Yes. Here are some things made up of wood. Chair, stool, pencil. These are the few things that is made up of wood. Wood is also used as firewood for cooking. We can also use firewood for cooking. Where does the wood come from? Wood comes from the trunk and branches of the tree. Wood mainly comes from trunk and branches of trees. Here there are few things made up of wood. You can see coffee table, or even you can call it as a teapot, chair and even wooden spoon. So these are the few things made up of wood. Teapot, then chair, then wooden table. Next, fibers. We get fibers from some plants. Fibers are like threads. We spin them to make yarn. We make cloth from yarn. Other than wood, plants will also give us fibers. Do you know how fibers will be? Thin thread-like. We spin them to make yarn. Yarn means it is a roll made up of thread. Roll of thread you can call. So that is actually called yarn. So we make cloth from yarn. So from this yarn we make cloth. The cotton cloths you wear come from the cotton plant. You can see the cotton here. Cotton plant. So it produces cotton fibers. By using this cotton fiber, cotton clothing is made. We get jute fiber from the jute plant. It is used to make ropes, mat, bag and sacks. S-A-C-K. Sacks, you know, right? Gonichela it is called. So these are actually made with the help of jute plant. See, from jute plant which fiber we get? Jute fiber. It can be used to make ropes, mat, that welcome coir mat we get. So that is actually made from jute. Then bags. You can see a jute bag here. Then sacks. Even sacks are also made from jute. Here you can see one jute string with the thread, jute thread it is. Okay. Now looking back, circle the odd one out. Odd one means which doesn't belong to the group. 1. Question number 1. Here you can see chair, here a t-shirt, cloth we can consider and wooden spoon. So out of these three, which one is the odd one? Here odd one is cloth. Why? Because cloth is made from fiber, whereas chair and spoon both are made from wood. So which is the odd one here? Odd one is the cloth. So this we should circle out. So this one. Okay, now second one. You can see a teapot, then you can see jute string, then you can see a bag here. Okay, so a thread you can see, then bag you can see and teapot. Out of these three, which one is the odd one? Odd one is teapot. Why this is odd one? Because these two are made from jute. This is jute string and this is jute bag. Whereas this is made from wood. So which one we should circle? This one. Then next, medicines. This activity should be done in the textbook itself. I will forward the image of this activity. Then medicines. Many medicines are made from plants. We know like most of the medicines are made from plants. Here are some plants that give us medicines like eucalyptus, tulsi, neem, aloe vera. So these are actually medicinal plants.